Welcome to Genius Hub. Smart made simple. With Genius Hub, you can take control over all of your heating needs, from traditional radiators to air conditioning and fan convector units. Genius Hub is designed to reduce energy consumption and improve comfort. In parts of the building where rooms are overheated or underheated, comfort is reduced and energy usage is increased. Genius Hub allows you to manage the temperature in all parts of the site from a single place with a payback period of 1 year. Reliability of the heating is improved as many problems with temperature can be addressed remotely from the app, reducing unnecessary visits to rooms to ascertain the problems. We will create a bespoke design to suit your property, whether it's an office, a college campus, a town hall or a church. We have you covered. Being a predominantly wireless system, Genius Hub can work in almost all situations, from new builds to major renovation projects to minor works. We offer a wide range of services from designing all the way through to commissioning and tweaking to ensure you have the perfect system as well as the perfect configuration. We can control electric infrared or wet infrared in large open plan areas such as school halls and fire station appliance bays. Our expert staff are on hand to provide support and answer any questions you may have from start to finish. For more information, call us on 0121 667 8000 or send us an email to inquiry@geniushub.co.uk. Genius Hub. Smart made simple.